how to use two WhatsApp accounts on iPhone. So if you want to use two WhatsApp accounts on iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your App Store. You'll have your WhatsApp application, right? So if you want to add another WhatsApp account, then you need to go back and then you can open up your App Store. From your App Store, you need to go with search, and here you can search for WhatsApp Business. After searching for WhatsApp Business, you will have the WhatsApp Business application. You need to go with get, which will be right here. Install it. After installing, go and log in with the same account or with another account, and you will have two WhatsApps. You will be able to use two WhatsApps on your iPhone. But if you don't want to use WhatsApp Business, then you will also have another option, which is you need to go back to your App Store and search for dual apps. And you will have a lot of applications which will create a dual apps or multiple accounts. And you'll be able to have two WhatsApps or two messengers on your device. That's how you can use two WhatsApp accounts on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.